Well, we've been dry so far this holiday weekend, and we have one more day to go, and we might see some scattered to isolated thunderstorms out there, but all in all, not too bad. Right now, let's take a look at this morning at Indigo Sky Casino and Resort, and as that goes into motion, you can see that we had mostly fair skies through the afternoon with bright sunny conditions and just a few clouds from here and there. Some altocumulus this afternoon and a beautiful sunset this evening. I hope you had a chance to get out there and enjoy that with those clouds around. This afternoon, we did make it up to 95 in Joplin after starting at a cool, relatively cool 68 degrees, which is above the normals of 86 and 64, but at least we weren't near that record of 102 set back in that blistering summer of 1954. Radar is clear right now across our area. There were a few scattered showers and sprinkles in north central Oklahoma earlier, but most of that has started to dissipate. Instead, we're left with mostly fair skies and temperatures in the upper 70s and a few lower 80s, like in Neosho, where they're currently sitting at 84 degrees, one of the warm spots, 78 in Monette, 77 for our friends up in Stockton. All right, let's take a look at the dew points because that's been the big help this weekend. With dew points in the 50s and 60s, it's made it feel more comfortable, but now we're starting to get dew points in the upper 60s and even a few low 70s starting to show up, and that means we're going to be increasing the stickiness and the mugginess as we go through the next 24 to 36 hours. In fact, looking at the future dew points, you can see the dew points are expected to be in the mid to upper 60s for the next couple of days, but then Wednesday, some drier air starts to work its way back in from the north, and that will make it feel a little bit better. Also, what will make it feel a little bit better is some rain chances, and it does look like there's a little bit tomorrow afternoon, but most of that is going to be down in northwest Arkansas and south central Missouri as this upper level low pivots out of North Texas and basically heads up towards the Great Lakes. Then we're going to go into a northwest flow pattern, which means scattered showers and storms will start to enter our forecast once again next week. But in the meantime, it's going to be mostly dry. Now, for the next 7 days, the GFS model is forecasting heavier amounts of precipitation on the Missouri side and points eastward, lighter amounts towards the west. And then on the European model, it's saying no, northeastern Oklahoma might actually get a little bit more rain too. So we'll have to wait and see how that pans out. But at least some folks have a decent chance of getting some rainfall over the next several days. Temperatures are going to be in the 70s tonight with mostly fair skies. Then tomorrow, it's going to be hot once again with temperatures in the low to mid 90s and also increasing humidities, making the heat index up a little bit. Best chance of showers and storms off towards the east. And then as we go into Tuesday morning, lows in the mid 70s with southwesterly winds, breezy too, with maybe a few showers out towards the west. Then as we head through Tuesday afternoon, look at this. We get close to 100 degrees again in southeastern Kansas, everywhere else in the low to mid 90s. Then the front runs out of gas and we're left with temperatures in the mid 70s and upper 60s for your Wednesday. How about the next 7 days? Well, 20% chance of storms tomorrow, 30% Tuesday, 20% on Wednesday, then it gets dry again, but a better chance of storms, I think, at least as we head towards the middle part of next week with temperatures closer to normal.
Looking forward to it. Thanks,
Me too.
Sam. Coming up.